the moment you've all been waiting for. Hi guys, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome if you're new. So today is a little bit of an exciting video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new phone that I just got. I'm super excited to be opening this. And currently I have the iPhone 7 Plus, so I've had this phone for about 3 years now, and it still basically works, but sometimes it just gives me problems. So I definitely thought it was time for an update. So I'm not going to talk much for the intro. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into opening the phone. So I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I got it in the Pacific blue color. I kind of wanted the gold because I saw videos and it really looks so nice, but I really wanted the Pacific blue from the get, so that's what I got. The box still has on the plastic, so let's go open it. One thing is, I kind of rather the white box. The black box is like okay, but the white box is like cute and pristine. The moment you've all been waiting for. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at it. I haven't opened a new iPhone in a long time, so this excitement. Okay. Oh, this is the thing for the SD card. Oh my gosh. So this is what you get when you open it. It's like a little white sticker over the top. Oh my god, I don't even want to take it off. It's so new. Okay. Let me stop. It's so pretty. So the sides are like stainless steel blue. The back is blue. I'm trying to be extra careful with it because I don't have a case right now, but it's so cute. So here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and here is my iPhone 7 Plus. When I was researching, I know a lot of people don't want to get the Pro Max because they think it's too big, but with my iPhone 7, it's already big, so it literally is basically the same size. When I looked it up, this I think was 6.23 in inches, and this was 6.33 in inches. So it was only like a couple little bit, 0.10 inches bigger than it. So I was like, it's the way to go. Oh my gosh. So I won't have to deal with the uncomfortableness of like adjusting to a bigger phone because it's literally the same size. Gosh. iPhone 12, iPhone 7 Plus. Whoop. Let's turn it on. So this paper actually shows where it's at. Okay, so this side hopefully it doesn't need charging. Oh, it knew better. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so new. Okay, it's turning on. So in the meantime, while it turns on, I'll go through what comes in the box. So again, this is like the little pin to put your SD card in the side, your SIM card in the side. It comes with the lightning cable. So I know like it didn't come with the cable box, which kind of sucks because this is the new, like it comes with the USB-C cord. So the old charger does work for it since it still has the lightning cable. But at least I guess now I can plug it into my Apple laptop and I can charge it from there. I don't think anything else comes in the box, but yeah. The hello screen. So I never had to adjust to like not using the home button. So I'm gonna be a little sad because I'm really gonna miss this home button and the Touch ID. That's the one thing that I don't like about this. I don't want to have to use Face ID. The Touch ID was the best. Okay, so I'm just setting it up. Select your country or region. United States. Set up here. Let's start. Bring your current iPhone. So personally, I'm not going to back up all of my old stuff from my iPhone 7 Plus into this. I'm just gonna set this up as a new device. I just wanna start fresh. I'm just gonna put the main contacts that I really talk to on this phone and just start from, I'm gonna start fresh. Put in my password for the Wi-Fi. Okay. It may take a few minutes for your phone to activate. This iPhone is so cute. I'm really actually happy with the blue. So also you can see the 3 cameras on the side. I think that's probably one of the parts I'm most excited for because as you can see the difference in the camera. I know my pictures are about to be. So yes, so you can see the difference, but you can also see how the size is basically the same. Okay, no Face ID. Create a password. Period. So I can actually transfer my apps and stuff, but start fresh. So maybe, actually, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I'm trying to save as much space because with this phone, I used out basically all the space. Every month I have to like delete stuff. So I'm gonna just start from fresh. Apple ID time. Not me forgetting my Apple ID password. Let me figure this out. Oh, I remember. When you think you remember, but you didn't, so for real. Ooh, and we're in. Terms and conditions. And now. And now. I'm just trying to get into the phone so I can show you guys. They just asked a whole bunch of like minimal stuff. iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting. Continue. Dark appearance. Love it. Choose how you would like to view your phone. Standard. And now, welcome to iPhone. This is really gonna take a while for me to get adjusted. So basically, not having that home button. It's so nice. Okay, so towards the end of the video, I'm just gonna input how it looks to take photos. So let me see the camera right now. Oh my goodness. Let me take a little picture so you guys can see. This camera is so clear. Oh my goodness. I feel like my hand just looks so clear in it. Ooh. Let me stop. Okay, taking a picture. Ooh, let me see. That camera clear. Let me try taking the picture with my iPhone 7 Plus and you'll see the comparison. So let me close the camera. Oh my God. This is still clear too, but it's just not as clear as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I just got a new baby. So right now I don't have a new case. So I'm about to go to Five and Below, get a new case, get a screen protector. That way no damage occurs to this phone. But I hope you guys kind of enjoyed. I know I was just basically going through the settings. And I hope it did not back up my stuff. Oh, it didn't. Contacts, where's contacts? Because it looked like it took my calendar and put it in. It put my contacts in. I didn't ask for that. Anyway, later guys, I'm about to go to Five and Below, get a case, and I hope you guys enjoy this phone. If you are getting it, I would definitely recommend It's just so nice.
I'm the one you need, baby.
Okay. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.